अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट, मैं हूं इशावान और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसे कि हमने न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 6 स्टार्ट की थी, फर्स्ट चैप्टर फर्स्ट पोएम हम कंप्लीट कर चुके थे। लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट चैप्टर। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज़ निको बॉबिनस। इसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। Comprehension. Answer the following question. What do we learn about Nicobobinus in the first paragraph? We learn that Nicobobinus is an extraordinary child who stuck his tongue out at the Prime Minister. We also learned that he lives in veins and that he could do anything. The next question. Who is Rosie? Rosie is Nicobobinus' best friend. Question number C. Why don't people pay attention to what Rosie says? People don't pay attention to what Rosie says because she always was having wild idea. Question D. What two things does Rosie suggest that she and Nicobobinus should do? Rosie suggests that she and Nicobobinus should pull up every word on his doorstep and discover the land of dragons. Question E. When do the children go on their adventure and what do they take with them? The children go on their adventure the next morning when it is just starting to get brighter. They take buns and lemonade with them. Question F. Who do they meet on their journey? Say what happened at each of the two encounters. They meet the night watchman and a dog on their journey. The night watchman tries to stop them from going to adventure. Rosie trips over the dog and it barks at them until it notices the buns and starts to eat them. Question G. How does Nicobobinus escape from the man in the orchard? Nicobobinus escaped from the man in the orchard by doubling himself up and going backward as fast as he could. Instead of trying to run away, so the man's legs are knocked from under him and he lands in a pile of leaves. Then he hides. Question H. How does Nicobobinus get out of the wall? He squirms through a long narrow passage made of stone. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. I. What shows us that the man in the orchard doesn't really want to break down the door to the shed? This line that shows the man is reluctant to break down the door is right. I am going to break this door down, said the man, and then he knew he would have to repair the door himself, so he added her. But Nicobobinus didn't hear. Man bangs on the door and shouts, but doesn't break it. Last question. J. What are the thoughts Nicobobinus has as he is falling down the wall? For each one, explain what you think he is feeling. The thoughts Nicobobinus has as he is falling down the wall, and some suggestion for what he is feeling. Pupils may come up with other plausible ideas are: 1. Bother, he is annoyed, shocked. A rather unkind thought about his best friend who had dangling over a snake pit, while numerous fierce dragons flew at her, chanting. He blames his friend and wants to get back at her. Suppose it's a well, a deep, unused well with slippery sides that you could never climb, and icy water at the bottom, that he is started to feel worried and frightened. ये हमने कंप्लीट किया है फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। नेक्स्ट हाज़िर होते हैं एक्सरसाइज के साथ।